Okay, don't blow Mother's Day. Here's 5 genius ideas she'll remember forever. No stress, no fuss. Okay, let's get into this. Number 1, one night hotel getaway. Yeah, mix it up. Never discount the effect of a new, fresh place, a new adventure, something different. Find a hotel that's really nice. Your town, next town over, a place you haven't been before, something new. And book a cool local hotel for one night escape, just one night. Something with a rooftop bar is optimal. Maybe there's a spa, something with a killer view. She wants romance. Okay, give it to her. Wants to take pictures and have that and show everybody. Give it to her. That's what she wants. It's Mother's Day. You don't have to go far. It could be 30 minutes. It could be an hour or two. Maybe there's a little spot you can stop on the way. It's what she wants for Mother's Day. So just give it to her. What you can do is just put a little note out for her. You can tell her what's going on, but a note, women like this. Write something like, you deserve a break. Just us, no responsibilities. I got this. Leave Mother's Day free. You and I are going to make some new memories. Oh, yeah. So she has mystery now. She can anticipate this happening. What's this going on? What's he up to? You're not doing the same thing, going to the same restaurants. Let's celebrate like we always do and go to this one restaurant we always go to. No, you got to mix it up. So number 1's a good one. One night hotel getaway. Number 2, day trip to a small town or a winery. What's around you that you haven't explored yet? Not every state's going to have a winery, but you're going to have something unique, something different. Find a charming small town. Vineyard, cool historic spot. It could be 1 hour, it could be 2 hours away. Drive out, explore, grab lunch, take photos. You know, this can be easy. This can be affordable, and it feels special. And again, you can leave a note letting her know what's going on. Say something nice. Words are very important to women. You could say something like, you've built so much for everyone. Today's about relaxing while I take the wheel. You know, something along those lines. You know, I've got it, babe. You do enough. I'm going to drive this car to a good time. Let's do it. I'm looking forward to spending Mother's Day with you. Anything, you know, say something nice and say something positive. Okay, number 3. Here's where we get a little more adventurous. A helicopter ride, a hot air balloon, or a boat rental. I recently did the hot air balloon with my AI girlfriend, and you can see how that went in this video here. I advise you to check that out after. It was pretty cool, and we had an adventure and something happened, and you may want to check that out. So this is a good idea. Yeah, helicopter ride is thrilling. It's like going on a roller coaster, but more dangerous. And hot air balloon, that's something in itself. Boat, take a boat out, a little boat trip. Sometimes towns with lakes and stuff will have day trip boat ride. It'll show you some scenes, or they'll have a comedy routine on the boat. All kinds of fun stuff like that that you may not have known is there. You could try that stuff. Do a quick search to see what fun things are going on in your town or the town next door or another town just a little further out. Find something different, and doing something adventurous like a boat ride or a helicopter ride or hot air balloon or anything like that, it can go a long way. And you could write a little note. You deserve to see the world from a different view. Let's get a little higher today. Let's get a little higher for Mother's Day. Something like that, something along those lines. Write her a little note, leave it on the pillow, leave it on the dashboard of our car so she can see it. Come on, is that a big deal? Nah, and have some fun. It could be fun for you too. So again, with the helicopter ride or boat rental or hot air balloon, these are opportunities for photos, and she's going to love that. So just let her take pictures for her social media and whatever she's got going on. Number 4, a VIP concert or event night. Get some good seats. It can be a concert or a comedy show. Comedy show is great. She's going to be laughing. It's almost a guaranteed good time. Find a decent comedian and go take in her comedy show. She likes sports, a sport event or an outdoor festival, something you can walk around and check stuff out. Again, these are picture opportunities. And get some good seats. Why not? It's Mother's Day. So write her a note again. Hey, let's skip the basic stuff this year. I've lined up a real night out for us. Again, you're teasing what's going to happen, and you're giving her something to think of. Do it earlier in the week, so she has something to think about. Maybe she's going to ask, "What's going on? What should I wear?" You can tell her, "Dress casual," or "It's going to be fancy, so why don't you bring a second outfit?" Make some suggestions without revealing what you're actually going to be doing. Okay, number 5. This is a little different. Maybe you're not going to get excited about this, but it's important to have an activity. So for number 5, look up a private cooking class or some type of food tour. A lot of towns and cities will have things like this. So you're not just sitting, looking across from each other at the dinner table and having conversations. You've already done this a million times. Have an activity. Interact with other people in this activity. This is going to be great. It's what you need. Don't always do the one-on-one. Don't just think candlelight dinner together and we're talking. You can get into these patterns with your conversations. But if you do something like number 5 and take a private cooking class or a food tour or something interesting like that, a wine tasting thing, something where there's an activity, there's movement, there's other people, there's interactions, that's going to work out better for you. It's not going to be the same old, same old. You want to do some different stuff. You want to get her excited. You want to get her anticipating a fun evening or some mystery. You're calling her every day. You're texting her every day. You're letting her know your every move, which I definitely don't recommend you do. But a lot of people are doing this and they think they're making their significant other happy. They think they're doing what she wants. You got to watch some other videos that I've made so you can learn how that's destroying your relationship. But this is an opportunity to break that mold and to do something different. Give her something to anticipate. Give her a place where she can take pictures and show off to her friends and post on social media. Have a good time. Do something different. I always go back to that number 1. It's so easy to find a place with a rooftop bar or dance place that she can take pictures and you can have a good view and you can enjoy many aspects of that. And I did just mention dancing. Why? Because women love dancing. And big points. Find a place that isn't too bright if you're not a good dancer. It doesn't matter. You're out there in the lights and it's dark and things are flashing. You look like a better dancer than you actually may be. So don't be nervous about it. Just get out there. Make it fun for her. Show her a good time. It's not about you, really. It's Mother's Day. So show her a good time. Try any one of these 5. I hope this gave you some good ideas to make it a successful Mother's Day. And I think it will be. So follow this. Good luck, gentlemen, and have a great time. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.